A blinding flash, a roar louder than thunder. On December 6, 1917, Halifax vanished in an instant. Ordinary citizens watched as the SS Mont Blanc, laden with explosives, collided in the harbor. Flames licked the decks. Crowds pressed to windows, unaware of the doom seconds away. Suddenly, a titanic explosion tore through the city, shattering buildings, hurling debris miles away, and killing over 1,900 people. Survivors staggered through a blizzard of glass and fire. The scars, physical and emotional, never faded. Halifax would never be the same, haunted by the day the world ended.